The smell of space is described as similar to seared steak or welding fumes. Some species of bamboo can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. The human stomach produces a new lining every 3 to 4 days to avoid digesting itself. Graphene is 200 times stronger than steel but incredibly lightweight. There is a planet, GJ1214b, that may be entirely covered in deep hot water. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is on Mars. Some species of parrotfish produce up to 200 pounds of sand per year. The tongue is the strongest muscle in the human body relative to its size. A jiffy is an actual unit of time, 1/100th of a second. The first synthetic plastic was Bakelite, invented in 1907. Some bacteria can survive in nuclear waste. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing due to tidal friction. A single bolt of lightning can contain 1 billion volts of electricity. The deepest man-made sound ever recorded was from an earthquake. Some clouds on Jupiter are made of ammonia ice crystals. The average person produces enough saliva in a lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. The world's smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat, weighing less than a penny. The hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 134 degrees Fahrenheit in Death Valley. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. Some deep-sea vents host ecosystems based on chemosynthesis, not photosynthesis. The first antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered by accident in 1928. A species of jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, is biologically immortal. The total weight of all termites on Earth exceeds the weight of all humans. Some rocks on Earth originated from the planet Mars. The human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail. The fastest land animal, the cheetah, can accelerate faster than a Ferrari. There is a lake, Lake Karachay in Russia, so radioactive it can kill within an hour. Some trees, like aspen, form massive clonal colonies sharing one root system. The longest living vertebrate is the Greenland shark, living over 400 years. Some fish species, like mud skippers, can breathe air and walk on land. The world's largest salt flat, Salar de Uyuni, becomes a giant mirror during rainy season. Your ears and nose never stop growing throughout your lifetime. Some species of ants enslave other ant species. The coldest temperature ever achieved in a lab is 38 trillionths of a degree above absolute zero. The first color photograph was taken in 1861. Some spiders can travel hundreds of miles by ballooning on silk threads. Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor but support 25% of marine life. Most coral species reproduce by simultaneously releasing sperm and eggs into the water. The longest mountain range on Earth is the Mid-Ocean Ridge, spanning 40,000 miles. Some types of glass are made from volcanic lava known as obsidian. The human body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold. The world's largest flower, Rafflesia arnoldi, smells like rotting flesh. Some species of frogs freeze solid in winter and thaw back to life in spring. The first animal cloned from an adult cell was Dolly the sheep in 1996. The Sahara Desert was once a lush green landscape thousands of years ago. Some viruses can infect other viruses. The deepest natural point on Earth's surface is the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench. Your brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of electricity, enough to power a dim light bulb. Some species of birds can sleep while flying. The first computer bug was an actual moth found trapped in a relay in 1947. The world's oldest known living organism is a seagrass colony over 100,000 years old. Some minerals, like fluorite, can fluoresce under ultraviolet light. The human heart beats approximately 100,000 times per day. The largest known star, UY Scuti, is 1,700 times larger than our sun. Cuttlefish can change color and texture almost instantly for camouflage. The first direct image of a black hole was captured in 2019. Some species of snails have shells made partially of iron sulfide. The Earth's atmosphere extends beyond the moon. The first vaccine was developed for smallpox in 1796. Some types of bacteria can produce pure gold nuggets. The world's largest cave, Son Doong in Vietnam, has its own weather system. Your fingernails grow faster on your dominant hand. Some moss species survived 530 days exposed to space conditions. The first element produced artificially was technetium in 1937. Some deep-sea fish produce their own light through bioluminescence. The human skeleton is completely replaced about every 10 years. The driest place on Earth is the McMurdo Dry Valleys in Antarctica. Some plants, like the sensitive plant Mimosa pudica, react instantly to touch. The first synthetic life form was created in 2010. Some species of birds use tools like New Caledonian crows. The world's largest single-celled organisms are xenophyophores found in deep oceans. Your taste buds are replaced every 10 to 14 days. Some types of rock can sing when wind passes over them. The first color movie was produced in 1908. Some species of spiders mimic ants to avoid predators. The human liver performs over 500 different functions. The fastest spinning known object is a neutron star rotating 716 times per second. Some bacteria can survive in boiling hot acidic springs. The world's smallest reptile is a chameleon the size of a sunflower seed. Your blood vessels would stretch over 60,000 miles if laid end to end. Some planets, known as rogue planets, float freely through space without orbiting a star. The first genetically modified animal was a mouse created in 1974. Some fungi can break down plastic in weeks. The human body contains more bacterial cells than human cells. The largest known diamond in the universe is a crystallized white dwarf star core. Some fish species can produce electricity strong enough to stun prey. Zebra stripes may deter biting flies more effectively than camouflage. The first cell phone call was made in 1973. Some types of crystals can grow to enormous sizes in caves. The human brain uses about 20% of the body's total energy. The world's quietest room is so silent you can hear your own organs. Some trees, like the dragon's blood tree, have red sap. The first successful human heart transplant occurred in 1967. Some species of birds can recognize themselves in a mirror. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. The fastest land snake is the black mamba, reaching 12.5 miles per hour. Some deep-sea creatures are transparent to avoid predators. The first digital camera was invented in 1975. A rare genetic condition, hypertrichosis, causes excessive hair growth over the entire body. The phenomenon of sonoluminescence creates light from sound waves collapsing bubbles.